Okay guys, with this video I will show you how you can get unlimited subscribers to your channel every single day, and I mean you can get over 100, even 200 subscribers, real subscribers to your channel daily. With this video guys, I will show you step by step how this work, how this method work. I make a new channel for this method so you can use it and you can get unlimited subscribers. This is absolutely a new channel. You can see even image I don't have here. Okay, I will update this soon. But now with this quick video, I will show you how exactly you can get subscribers. Okay, so with this method, guys, we will help together. I will help you, you will help me, I will subscribe to your channel, you will subscribe to my channel, and we will build our business together. I will help you and you will help me. Sorry, okay? So this is very important to get subscribers, and the reason if you have subscribers, you will get more views and more visitors to your links and to your website. You will get more commission, and you need subscribers if you want to build your YouTube business. Okay, so basically I get unlimited emails from my friends how to get subscribers, and so I make this video to show you a fantastic method that you can use it right now and you can get unlimited subscribers. Okay, but you have to take action if you want to get subscribers even today, right now. Okay, so how this work? Basically, step number one, you have to visit YouTube. You can see youtube.makingmoneyacademy. Okay, I make this video so you can use it and you can get subscribers, and you have to take action. Okay, so first you have to visit youtube.makingmoneyacademy.net. Okay, and go here to package number 15. Okay, video 15 package, and all you have to do is click and you will get this page and download this package. Okay, so this is step number one. This is very important to get subscribers. Okay, step number two, after download the package. Okay, remember this is package number 15. Okay, 15. This is the number of this package, and when you download, you will get something like this. I will show you package number 15. You will get this package. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now you have to upload. Let's upload a video. Okay, so this is the package. All you have to do is upload. You can upload all these videos, and you can upload these videos. I recommend to you upload all these 5 videos so you can get more subscribers. Okay, so I will upload all these videos. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so you can see all my videos right now in upload. Okay, very good. Now, step number 3 is, you can see this is the title of this video number 1. Okay, basically you have to wait to upload all these videos, and then all you have to do is copy the title of every video. So let's copy and go to Google and make search for this title. Okay, fantastic. So this is the title like you see here. Then make a search. After that, go to videos like this, and you will get unlimited videos, the same videos. Okay, so if you have this video in your channel, you will get subscribers. Why? The reason unlimited people will do this method after I upload this video, and all they have to do is make search for this title and visit all this video. Okay, visit all this video, and all you have to do is subscribe all this channel. Okay, all this channel you have to subscribe, and you can close this video. Then you have to go to more videos with the same title. Okay, with the same title, and subscribe all these videos. Okay, so basically with this method we will help together. I will help you, I will subscribe to your channel, you will subscribe to my channel, I will subscribe to more channels. Like you see, you can click here more, you can get more results, so you can visit, open in new windows, okay, like this, and subscribe, and even make a like. This is very nice and very important. Go to video, the second video, and subscribe, and hit like. Okay, and go to the third, and I already subscribe here, I will make a like. Okay, I think you get the point. All you have to do is go let's see, sorry, go to youtube.makingmoneyacademy.net, then download this package number 15, then upload to your let's close this. Okay, let's close it. Okay, so basically you have to download package 15, then upload these videos to your channel, then get the title for every video you upload to your channel, and make search like this. Copy, make search in Google, and go to videos, and open all these videos. Okay, and like this, and subscribe and hit like. Okay, So if you have this video in your channel, you will get unlimited subscribers even today, okay? Even today, you will get unlimited subscribers. This will make your channel very, very stronger, and you will get unlimited visitors daily. So this is very nice method, okay? I hope you will take action and build your YouTube business even today. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you again and have a good day.